Okay, I have another house in Long Island that I'm planning on fixing and flipping, and I'd like to introduce the details to you.
Okay, so this is a house in Middle Island that I'm planning on buying to flip, and so I'm excited about it. It's in a good neighborhood. It's a ranch, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, and it's got about 15,000 square feet of lot size. So I have to put a new kitchen, 2 new bathrooms, do some roof work, reside the front, paint the sides, and paint the whole interior. So I'm excited about this house. This is going to be the 10th house that I flipped, and I'm going to show you some details about this. See if you might be interested in helping me with this. Thank you.
As mentioned, this house is in Middle Island, which is in Long Island, New York. It's got a real deep lot with a nice deep backyard. It's a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, as I've mentioned, so I have to do some outside work, some roof work. Of course, I have to paint the outside, do some landscaping to dress up the outside. Inside living room has a fire stove. Well, the kitchen needs to be renovated, new cabinets, countertop, appliances. Little eat-in kitchen. Adjacent to the living room is the dining room. Of course, all floors will be refinished. They're nice oak floors. It has 3 bedrooms, a master bedroom. The master has a little bathroom, which of course has to be refinished. The main bathroom has to be refinished. It has standard sized bedrooms. The bedrooms are perfect for a starter family. The basement is unfinished, so we're just going to clean it all up. We'll paint the floors and walls. There's a washer and dryer down there. It has a 1-car garage, so I'll sheetrock, spackle, paint that. There's a lot of good things that happen from fix and flips. Investors earn a good return, neighborhoods are revitalized, local economy is stimulated, jobs are created, homebuyers receive a beautiful, fully renovated house, and investors receive an 8 to 10% return. There's a big difference between 8 and 10% and a half or 1%. Huge difference. People can live off of 8 and 10%, but not a half percent or 1%. This is just a summary of the details. I have a spreadsheet that spells out a little bit more, but I've done this many times and I'll share all the details with you so you feel comfortable. So I'm looking for private investors who will help me fund this fix and flip project. So as a recap, investors will receive 8 to 10% fixed rate. I'll either pay them monthly or a lump sum. If you want a longer term, 1 to 5 years, I can also arrange that on rental properties. If I have 3 $40,000 investors, that funds this project. So if you have 20, 40, 100,000 that's not earning 8 to 10% fixed rate, then give me a call. So as mentioned, this will be the 10th fix and flipped house that I've worked on. This Bohemia house I purchased for $211, sold for $320. Net profit was $70,000. This East Islip house I purchased for $214, sold it for $320, net profit $54,000. This Center Reach house I purchased for $222, sold for $312, net profit of $34,000. This Ronkonkoma house I purchased for $154, sold it for $299, $64 net profit. This Bayshore house I purchased for $160, sold for $289, net profit was $96,000. This Kings Park house I bought for $255, sold for $368, $49,000 profit. This Ronkonkoma house purchased for $157, sold for $285, net profit $71,000. This Ronkonkoma house purchased for $131, sold for $317, $84,000 profit. This Ronkonkoma house purchased for $189, sold for $359, $64,000 profit. So if you choose to invest in these flips, your money's going to do a whole lot of good. It's going to stimulate the economy, make big difference in people's lives. I really appreciate my investors. So since 1987, my whole life has been devoted to real estate, some way or another. I like flipping homes, and I hope you'll help me. If you're interested in more information, give me a call, text, or email me. I look forward to talking with you. This is Rand Miller. Thank you.